Say hello and good morning to the personal attorney for Aremeyaw Anas. His name is Attorney Kisi. We say hello and good morning. Welcome to Killɛd FM.
Good morning. It's afternoon.
It's afternoon in Ghana, correct. In America, it's in the morning. How you doing, sir?
Yes, I'm good. And you?
Awesome. My name is Fuad Umar from Killɛd FM. Because we had a few questions that we wanted to ask and see if you would be willing to have a short discussion to highlight on certain things. And we wanted to make sure that we put in the right information. Mr. Kisi, Lawyer Kisi, we have this video circulating that supposedly it is that of your client. They're saying it's your client, Aremeyaw Anas. And we would like to get a comment, a statement officially from you as his attorney. What do you have to say regarding that video that is circulating?
Ordinarily, I would have granted an interview on this. If it was a one-off thing and in a vacuum, I would have granted an interview on this. But you see, the reason why I'm going to refuse the interview, and we've not made any statement on it, and we are not going to react to anything of the sort because of what I'm going to say, just out of respect. There's been a concerted effort since he broke that 2018 story on the Ghana Football Association and its former president.
Correct.
There's been a concerted effort aimed at either unraveling his identity or trying to destroy his name, image, and actually to kill him. And you would recall that in January, one of his main investigators was shot dead.
Correct.
So so these things are all part of machinations to draw him out or draw me out to say this or that, to either confirm it is him or it is not him or that or that. And because of that context of the threats to his life, the whole design aimed at destroying him, his name, his image, and his life. We have decided not to be responding to these. I would say these distractions. They are distractions as far as we're concerned. In respect of this video and its aftermath and what people are saying, you won't get much from me.
So what
because of the background.
Okay, so what if I put the question this way? Let's switch it over. Say, with all this happening, you're not confirming whether it is Anas or not, right? As far as his work, what is the energy like? Is Anas going to go ahead and keep doing his work, or is he, feeling like he has to? Because we have info that he's leaving Ghana. Is that true?
Anas lives the way he wants to live. And he's not going to, what I can tell you is that he's not going to stop his work. He's not going to stop his work. And as for leaving Ghana or not leaving Ghana, he does international investigations. So on so many occasions for months, I personally don't even know where he is. It is when he is ready to see me to discuss things that he shows me his location. It could be in Ghana, it could be in Tanzania, it could be in Kuwait. He is international and he moves around a lot. Today he's receiving an award here. Tomorrow he's in India doing that. Today, the next day he's in Sierra Leone. So, and that is why I said that all these things are part of this whole design to try and destroy him. And if you're going to go responding. If you're going to go responding to these things, Anas has left here, he's gone here, and we're going to be responding to these things.
That could be dangerous for his own safety. Correct. You're right.
Apart from that, it serves no purpose. It serves no purpose, really. It serves no purpose. But, and that is why we haven't said anything on this video. We haven't made any comments. We haven't made any statement because it's unimportant.
It's not important. As his attorney, though, you know what kind of support, because you his personal lawyer. What kind of support is he getting? Because with all of these things happening right now, a lot of people, the loved ones, people that love him, people that appreciate his hard work, they probably they're confused as to what kind of help is he getting right now. Support.
Okay, let me assure you. Yeah, let me assure you that nothing in respect of Anas and his outfits has changed the slightest bit. And that is why I said earlier that he's not going to stop his work. His work still goes on. And as to the support he receives, the support he receives from us as his lawyers, the support he receives from his associates, the support he receives from his friends, it's still there. I mean, nothing has changed.
Because we've heard the pressure. We have information that the pressure is mounting. It's getting bigger on the security agencies to back off from giving him protection. What can you tell us?
He's not under protection for some years now. He's not been under the protection of the state. Formerly, he used to be under the protection of the state, but at some point, we had to take a decision to decouple him from that security detail. At some point, it did not become wise in that regard, and that is why. And if I may add this to show that he's protected and he's safe.
Awesome.
So these things are just annoyances. These videos and these pictures and these rumors and stories are just annoyances aimed at distracting his attention from the real issues that he wants to deal with.
Okay,
and that is what we're not going to go on.
Attorney Kisi, let me go back to the Ahmed, the gentleman who got murdered, assassinated. I think
right.
What's up with that case? What's happening? The investigation, because all of a sudden everything went quiet, silence. What's going on?
Well, I could ask the same question.
Yeah, because
I could ask the same question as what's going on.
When the whole thing started, people were all, upset and wanted to know what happened to this gentleman. And all of a sudden, it went quiet. And we're hearing this conspiracy theories from both sides. This is that. What are the facts? What's going on with that case?
As for Ahmed's case, it doesn't just end with Ahmed. It extended to all of us because the death threats were all over. Even me as a lawyer, unprecedentedly, I also got threats to my life, and so it was a whole group of people who were being threatened with death, and one was killed. So it meant that we were all at risk if indeed one had been killed. So for us, quite apart from what the state will do, we also took it upon ourselves to also go down to do our investigations. What we found, which I cannot share with you on radio or on phone or anywhere else, what we found in respect of what we saw, we gave it all to the police. And so the artist's impression and all that, we procured the artist's impression because at some point it appeared to us that it wasn't going as fast as we would like it. And memories fade.
Right.
And what people remember 3 days ago, if you wait for 3 months, they may not remember readily. So we went down to do our own investigation. We got artist impressions of these two men who did that dastardly act. And in respect of one, he's easily identifiable because he has marks on his face. And we gave all these to the police. And the police assures us that, look, there's an extent to which a private individual can go in respect of these things. The state is all powerful, and the state is the right entity to do it. But gratifyingly, when we went for our annual lawyers conference, we call it a bar conference, in September, sometime in September, the president was there and he gave an address. And the president of the republic said that the killers are going to be found and brought to book. That's what he said. And so we can only hope that with the president's declaration and the president's assurance, the state is still going on with the investigations to try and bring these men to book. That is what I can say on that.
Awesome. Attorney Kisi, hope to talk to you again on Killɛd FM soon. And stay safe. Whatever is the case, we want to make sure that the right thing is done, and that the law is respected. That's, the hope of the people,
right.
So we thank you so much. Stay safe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. That is the voice of the attorney, the lawyer for Anas Aremeyaw Anas. You've heard it. Log on to our website, www.kibblafm.com for more. Until then, my name is Fuad Omar. I say peace.